why don't you just start by just telling me, why did you have to come to this terrible place?
Well, this terrible place has saved my life. When I got here 6 years ago after my wife passed, I was down to 5 on the bottom and 6 on the top. That's all I had. They fixed my teeth. And it's day and night. Absolutely day and night.
I had tooth pain that was causing headaches, vertigo, ringing in my ears, made it hard to get through some parts of the day without taking some sort of medication for the pain. I called and asked for a consult, came in for a consult and was treated and, on my way like it had never happened within 30 days. I would say that this was easier than going to a standard dentist office, and this is a surgeon.
We're here for you. It's not you're calling this, corporate office, you don't know who to talk to, you don't know where to turn. We're always here, and our staff especially is so fantastic in terms of education and inviting the patient in and listening to their story, because every story is different, and it's about how the broken tooth or dental pain affected that individual. And I think once they get into the office, once they come in, they realize this is the place for them.
Our staff bends over backwards to accommodate patients, to get them seen. They know in the events of an emergency, how to manage an emergency. Everything is clean, everything is very well organized in the background, and it's a great team to be a part of.
I would say that the technology here is above standard for most offices like this. They use the green CT, which is a low radiation scan, which I really appreciate. And after having my treatment done here, I don't have any pain. I don't have parts of the day that I need to, stop and get myself some sort of pain med to kind of cope with it. So it's an absolute night and day difference between before and after.
Everybody here has been beyond what they need to. They went out of their way. They come in on their days off to put the teeth in. So, they couldn't have been any better. None of them. Everybody, my sister, everybody said it changed my personality. It makes a difference. It really makes a difference.